Yeah, so this is a tutorial on how to um, set your seating arrangement for your event. So first, let's go to an already created event. So here we are in this event. So we go to the sidebar, click on seating arrangement. Now create seating arrangement. So what happens is at the time you are creating your guest, you set categories. Now those categories is what's going to help you to create this seating arrangement. So you can see first the select category. These are the categories that we have set, and we have people under those categories when we're creating our guests. So for instance, let's say friends, then the date. In case there are multiple dates, when you are managing your event, if you have recurring dates and you have multiple dates, of course you can also set the seating arrangement for those multiple. For this case now, I think it's just one date that we've created. So now friends table count. Let's say for friends, I want to have 5 tables for friends, and on each table I want to have 3 people on each table. So I click on proceed. You can see it has created it for me. So that means I'm expecting 15 friends based on what I've said. 5 tables and 3 per table, so that's 15. So if you go here now, click on edit. That means you want to edit the seating arrangement for friends. So you can see these are the people under friends. We set Ade and we added 2 people, as in we attached 2 people to Ade. So that means that Ade is coming with 2 people. So if other people have been added to friends, you will see them here. If they have attachment, you see them. The reason why you are seeing Ade guest 1, guest 2, principal. Ade is the principal, but these are his guests is coming with. So all you need to do is just drag Ade and put Ade here. Now his friends, if he wants his friends to sit on the same table with him, then drag and you put them on that table. So automatically what has happened is that you have set friends, table 1 is for Ade and friends. But if you feel, what, I don't want Ade's friends to sit with Ade. For instance, let me give you an example. Maybe instead of Ade is a chief, and the chief is coming with maybe the wife and maybe 2 aides. Now you want chief and the wife to sit on the same table, and you want the aides to sit on another table. So that way you can put chief and the wife on one table and put the 2 other aides on a separate table, that you know that this table is reserved for maybe aides and all that. So for this case now, Ade is a friend. Ade is coming with 2 people. You have attached 2 people to Ade when you were creating him as a guest. So now you want Ade and the friends to sit on the table. So automatically what you have done here now is you have added Ade. You have created a seating arrangement for Ade and the friends. So on the day, once they come, it's easy for when they check in, they will know where to sit. So that way, once they check in on the app, it will tell them that this is where they will sit. So they can actually find their table and sit down. So that's how to create seating arrangement.